Have you ever wondered if the way you handle self-pleasure after 50 could actually be working against your health? Many men assume masturbation is always safe, but the truth is, certain habits can quietly drain your energy, irritate your prostate, and even reduce intimacy with a partner. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Today I'll share the most common masturbation mistakes men over 50 make, and what to do instead to protect your prostate, preserve your energy, and keep intimacy healthy and enjoyable. Mistake number 1. Overdoing it. In your 20s and 30s, frequent release was easy to bounce back from. But after 50, hormone levels shift, tissues recover more slowly, and the prostate becomes more sensitive. Too much frequency leaves you feeling drained, sore, or fatigued. The key is moderation. Listen to your body's signals. Do you feel energized or depleted afterward? Mistake number 2. Rushing. Treating masturbation like a quick chore increases friction, strains tissues, and trains your body for speed, leading to irritation and even performance issues with a partner. Slow down, breathe, and always use lubrication. This reduces strain, enhances pleasure, and makes the experience healthier and more satisfying. Mistake number 3. Substituting it for connection. Self-pleasure is healthy, but when it becomes your only form of intimacy, it chips away at emotional health. Human touch and connection boost oxytocin, the bonding hormone that supports both mood and sexual health. Use masturbation as one outlet, but balance it with real connection whenever possible, emotional or physical. Mistake number 4. Ignoring your body's signals. Pelvic heaviness, soreness, or changes in urinary flow are not just normal with age. They're signals. Ignoring them risks irritation or longer-term prostate strain. Respect those cues. Give your body recovery time and adjust your approach. Your body always communicates. Listen to it. Mistake number 5. Carrying guilt or shame. Masturbation is natural. In moderation, it supports circulation, prostate activity, and stress relief. The harm comes not from the act itself, but from guilt, compulsion, or shame attached to it. Let go of shame. Treat self-pleasure as a tool for health, not a weakness. Masturbation after 50 isn't dangerous, but mistakes like overdoing it, rushing, replacing connection, ignoring signals, or carrying guilt can make it less healthy. When you practice balance, gentleness, and self-respect, you protect your prostate, your energy, and your confidence.